Hello. Today I am going to show you how to use Google Drive to create a folder that will collect sound files. The reason I'm using Google Drive is because it's free to use, it's available to teachers and students, and it's easy to navigate. My goal is for a music teacher, my audience, to be able to create a file in Google Drive where they can collect MP3 recordings from iTunes or anywhere else to use in other Google Drive programs such as Slides or Docs. I am here on my Chrome page. It is saving my Gmail information, my Google information. I'm going to click on this little grid here, and it is going to pop up with Drive right here. When I go into Drive, I'm going to go right over here to New. I'm going to go ahead and create a new folder, and I'm going to put a name into my folder. I'm going to call it Music. Click Create, and right down here is my new folder. I'm going to double click on my new folder, and it is blank. You can see right here it says Drop Files Here. I can minimize this, and if my iTunes is right here and open, all I have to do is select that MP3 file and drag it into this area, and it will create the sound file in my Drive folder. I'm going to show you one that I've already done. In my Drive, I created a list of songs for a concert that was coming up so that I would have easy access to them. I could share this file, this folder, and other teachers would be able to have access to this to play the songs for the students in their classrooms. I created this so that I could create a Google Slides lyrics page that would have links to my songs. I'll show you that in another video. Right here are all the songs that I've added to my list. When I click on them, it brings up a player. It's a pretty basic player, but when I need to listen or practice the songs with my students, it's really nice to be able to have everything right there. I can use this on any computer, anywhere I go, on a tablet. All I have to do is log in to my Drive account. My ISTE standards are C.3.B and C.5.A. Thanks.